Hey everyone, back to one of my favorite spots on the North Country Trail. Now I got to show you something here. The amount of rainfall we've had this year been absolutely insane. So I came up here into one of my favorite spots. Doesn't look like anything unordinary, really. Typically this time of year it's down a lot farther than that, but nothing crazy, right? As I'm hiking on out of this spot, we're elevated maybe 5-6 feet from the trail where this body of water is. So let me show you parts of the trail. So here we go. This is about, actually more like 8-10 feet of elevation. So I noticed something as I was hiking on out of there. All of this. It completely flooded and down that hill into the trail. And take a look at this section of the trail up here. Just insane. Too much rain this year. Wow. That's at least a foot deep right there, just sunk right in and washed away. Wow. All of this has been washed down here. Wow. It's like that creek down there flooded right up into here. It must have looked like a whole nother friggin' pond. Jeez, this trail is just trashed through that area. And more up here. The power of Mother Nature. Can't stop it. Jeez. Wow. Get over here. Wow. Insane. It's like hiking a new trail. Wow. Well, the trail's still here. So I'm going to hike it and put in a few miles today. Thankfully, I got out of the house. The kids went with their grandparents for a while, giving me a chance to get out here. What an awesome geocache. A nice cold one.